In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and use a text box in Excel. A text box is a simple way to add callouts, labels, or instructions that float above your grid without changing the structure of your worksheet. Let's walk through it from start to finish. Start by opening Excel and the worksheet where you want to add your text. On the ribbon at the top, click the Insert tab to reveal tools for adding content. In the text section, choose Text Box. Your cursor will change into a crosshair, meaning you're ready to draw. Click and drag on the worksheet to create the box roughly to the size you want. Don't worry about getting it perfect now, you can resize it later. To add content, click inside the box and start typing or paste text you've copied. Text boxes are independent of cells, so they won't affect your formulas or sorting. Use the Home tab to change the font size, boldness, and alignment. If your text wraps in a way you don't like, you can adjust the box size to make it more readable. To resize, click the border of the text box so you see the small circular handles. Drag a corner handle to scale the box proportionally, or drag a side handle to adjust only width or height. Watch how the text reflows as you drag, and aim for comfortable line lengths for readability. To move the box, hover over its border until your cursor changes to a move pointer, then click and drag it anywhere on the sheet. This is useful for placing labels near charts, highlighting key figures, or keeping notes out of the way of your data. Even if the box covers cells, your underlying data remains intact. With the text box selected, look for the Shape Format tab on the ribbon. This is where you can set the background color, outline, and text styles. For a clean overlay, try Shape Fill set to No Fill and Shape Outline set to No Outline. If the text needs to stand out, pick a contrasting fill color and adjust text alignment and internal margins so everything looks balanced. If you need to remove a text box, select it and press Delete or Backspace. Only the box goes away, your worksheet data stays as is. Finally, to display cell content dynamically, select the text box, click in the formula bar, type an equal sign followed by a cell reference, like XA1, and press Enter. The box will now mirror that cell, updating automatically as the cell changes. Use this for titles, KPIs, or dashboard callouts that always stay in sync. That's it. Simple, flexible, and powerful.